Find or read reviews that people are talking about MEUCI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. 2x faster tire inflation and mini size. Up to 150 psi, this powerful smart air compressors has a built-in high-performance chip. Elevate tire pressure from 28 to 35 psi in just 56 seconds, or fully inflate car tires, 0 to 36 psi, in just 5 minutes. At just 2.6 x 1.8 x 6.9 inches and 0.8 pound, this small air pump is compact, convenient to carry, and easily stored anywhere in a vehicle. 12-volt portable air pump. Featuring a 10 feet DC 12-volt power cord, this tire inflator makes it easy to inflate both front and rear tires. It plugs directly into a car's cigarette lighter, eliminating the need for a separate battery. You can use it to inflate tires, balls, or other inflatable objects, a great emergency solution on the way. Note: this model does not contain a built-in battery and needs to be connected to a cigarette lighter. 4 modes and 1-click preset. It offers 4 preset inflation modes: bicycles, motorcycles, cars, and balls, with an auto shut-off when the preset value is reached. You can also set your own pressure value using the R button to select the desired pressure unit, and then adjust it with the plus sign and minus sign buttons to meet various inflation requirements. LCD digital display and auto shut-off. The large LED display shows real-time pressure values and the preset pressure at just a glance. The air compressor pump will automatically shut off when it reaches the desired tire pressure. No more overinflating, it's simple and safe. Equipped with an upgraded high-precision chip, our air compressor boasts improved tire pressure detection accuracy to plus or minus 1 psi. LED light and multifunctional nozzled. The air pump also features a LED light on top, making it easy to use in the dark. It offers 3 lighting modes: SOS, always bright, strobe. The included nozzles help the air compressor inflate compact or mid-size car, SUVs, motorcycles, bikes and balls etc. Enjoy a better use experience. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.